The Golden Eagle Air Tour begins at your hotel in Las Vegas. You travel aboard our new air-conditioned coaches to the all-new Boulder City Terminal. There, you're greeted by your pilot and escorted to your state-of-the-art aircraft. And soon, you're off on the adventure flight of a lifetime. Departing over Boulder City, your flight takes you for an aerial look at one of the largest man-made projects ever, amazing Hoover Dam. Passing Lake Mead, next, you'll climb higher, up above the high Colorado Plateau. Here you get a first look at the western rim of the spectacular Grand Canyon. You'll see from above the famous Skywalk Air Bridge and venture over the edge, over the amazing Grand Canyon itself, for an unrivaled look at the majesty and beauty below. You return to Boulder City Airport, where you can pick up a keepsake photograph of your grand adventure and a great memory that'll be with you forever.